Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2014 Grand Cherokee SRT 4x4 4-door SUV. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.